Hi, this is Brian. We love the Ozarks. Today we're at the White County Fairgrounds at the Shindig 2019 with VW Family Farms and Roots and Refuge. And as always, I'm waiting on my wife, and then we'll go check it out.
Take a Coke can, it can be a medicine can, it can be anything, and just simply hold it tight, roll it, pull it up, slide it in. Get those pieces of tape. Once you'll watch it take time and fold them up, we just do it this way. Yep. Right.
So I'm a little wild, but y'all just jump in and be wild with me all you want to. This next song is a song that you may recognize the melody. It's one of the only songs that I did music for Jessica's channel that I actually wrote some lyrics to. And I don't have a name for it yet, but it's all about going back to a place with the Lord. Just returning to like wonder. It's one of the things I love about Jessica so much as my friend. She's so full of wonder towards the Lord. And that's just really, it rubs off on people. But that's what this song's about. Huh? I need to yell? Wow, it's not loud enough?
Got you covered.
He's got me covered. Check, 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 check. Oh, that's better. You can hear me on that? I'll try to step back when I start singing. That way I'm not blowing people out when I'm singing, but you can hear me. He's going to turn me back down. He's a good sound guy. But basically what I was saying is this is one of the only songs that I have that I've done music. You may recognize the melody of this music because it's on some of Jessica's videos. But this is one of the only ones I've actually written lyrics to. And something I love about Jessica is she just is so full of awe and wonder towards the Lord. And I think that's a lot of what draws people to her in watching her videos. And that's what this song is about, is just going back to a place with the Lord. I remember when I was just a boy, walking through that field with my papa in. I remember when I didn't have a worry in the world, just me in a garden with the Lord and my papa in. He's restoring joy.
Hey, hey! How you doing? Good.
He's restoring joy. I remember when I was about 13 at a rock concert in Alabama, and I heard a man sing. He spoke about the Lord, and I gave him my life. And I was so lost in wonder of him, I didn't care about a thing. And I believe he's restoring joy. Restoring joy. He's restoring joy. Yeah. Make me like a child, make me like a child, make me like a child again. Make me like a child, make me like a child, make me like a child again. God, make me like a child, make me like a child, make me like a child again. Make me like a child, make me like a child, make me like a child again. You're restoring joy. You're restoring joy. Restoring joy. Ooh. You're restoring joy. You're restoring joy.
You're the only one I haven't gotten on film yet.
I apologize. I feel like I almost know you already.
Thank y'all. So Jessica wanted me to announce that anybody that wants to do the seat swap, you come over here. I don't know if that corner is big enough, but we'll see what happens. You want to do the seat swap, come over here to this corner right over here.
My name is Nanda. I'm also known as Bonterre Homestead, and I'm one of the co-owners of Homesteaders of America. So I'm here because we want to support homesteaders. HOA was created by homesteaders to support homesteaders. So we want to be your cheerleaders and help you fulfill your homesteading dreams. We're also here to support Jess and Jeremiah because they're going to be one of our speakers. That's okay, though. Your team. I know I'm not a public speaker, so you'll have to excuse me. Anyway, so we're giving away two-day passes to the conference in Virginia. It's October 11th and 12th. This is a $90 value. For two-day passes. So that's a Friday and a Saturday. We also have workshops on Thursday. If you're interested in that, it's all on our website. That's going to be on the 10th. October the 10th, and it's in Front Royal, Virginia. October the 10th, yes, see, I'm not talking.
All right, so it's October the 10th, 11th, and 12th, correct? Right, so the conference, the full conference starts on the 11th and 12th. The workshops are on the 10th. It's in Front Royal, Virginia. We're going to give away 2 tickets. So, random generator was number 68. If I don't pronounce this right, it's okay. You didn't pronounce my name right the first time you read it. I promise you. Sweet Maya is not the name that I'm talking about. I'm talking about my last name. Nobody gets it right. So, yeah, see? You had to say it twice. Nanda. I love it. Nanda, that's exactly what I was thinking. See, we're like best friends already. All right, 68. Lauren, and I think this is Brian, Nicole. Right there. Are you guys going to go to HOA? Heck yes! That was so easy. See, we didn't have to redraw. That's how much favor God has put on this conference thing, is that first number, people are going. Thank you guys. Like I said, we still have $75 gift card to Premier One Fence, which if I could enter, I would, because I love that stuff. And we've got a Azura Standard box. If you don't know what about Azura Standard, go talk to VW Family Farms. Probably not Ben, because he probably has no idea what that's about. Andrew might be the person to talk to. Thank you guys. Daniel, would you please rock it?
He won!
Long train running, okay? Well, this is a story about Job.
I believe that's a wrap for the 2019 Shindig. I'd like to thank VW Family Farms, Roots and Refuge, Two Family Farms, Horticulture, and all the other people I'm sure that did stuff that I have no idea to contribute to make this such a great event. I do encourage you, hopefully they decide to do it next year. If they do, I encourage everyone to attend. It was a great family fun event. It was all about homesteading, gardening, and community. Homesteading is as much Ozarks as apple pie is American. Well, like I said, I'd like to thank everybody for such a great event. Don't forget to check out, there's an article on the event at www.lovetheozarks.com. I believe my wife is following up the article with a series on homestead life in the Ozarks. So until next time.
His so-called friends are foolish. What happened to the faith? Said keep on praying, brothers, cause in God I find my strength without God. Where would he be now? Without God. devil could not defeat him. Job trusted in the Lord. He passed the test and he was blessed. God gave him even more without God. Where would he be now? Without God. The troubles keep on coming. The world goes round and round. Trust in God with all your heart, your blessings will abound. Without God, where would you be now? Without God, ooh, where would you be now? Ooh, gotta keep on praying, keep on trusting now. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Yeah, 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 yeah. Without God.